Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to balance the Nikon Z6II on a Dji RS2, and this will be done within 5 minutes. So let's get started immediately. So this, I've already done the setup. So what I need to do now is just to unlock this place, move it this way, lock it back, unlock this, move it like this, unlock. This one has already been locked. So we'll mount our plates on the camera, we mount our plates on the RS2. So it goes in this way. Unlock this. I guess you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So this will be unlocked. You click here to let this. You click here to let this move in freely. So that's it. You lock it back. So this will be sitting in here. But before then, this will go to the base of the camera. So trying to lock it down. And as you guys can see, I have the 50mm Nikon Z6. I have the 50mm 1.8S lens mounted on the Nikon Z6II. So the base has been locked down. So the base, I will slide it into this. I'll slide it into this. So for me to slide it in, look at this place. I'll hold this place down. Lock it. So now, to balance your Nikon Z6II on the Dji RS2, this settings is not limited to Nikon cameras alone. It's applicable to all cameras, but specifically I'm working with the Nikon Z6II today. So on the Nikon Z6II, I have the 50mm lens. So to balance this, if I leave the lens hood on, I have to balance it with the lens hood on. But now I want to remove the lens hood, which I will not be needing. So to do this, now what I need to balance now is this axis. So if I unlock it now, let's see what it's going to give to us. So to unlock it, you click here. You click here to unlock it, which is what I'm doing now. So to unlock this, can you see it's falling backward. So that means I need to use this knob and move it forward. So just watch what I'm doing. So this, I would need to move it forward like this. It's still falling backward, so I still need to move it forward. Now it's going forward now. So I need to move it backward a bit to balance it up. No, that's too much. Still too much. No, I need to come back a bit. So it's kind of balanced now. And this axis is balanced now. So I'll lock this. I think it's still coming backward. So I still need to move it forward a bit. So that's it. So this axis is balanced now. So for me to balance this axis, I need to move it this way. And you see, to balance this, it's falling back. So for me to balance this axis, I will need to unlock this. Just to watch. So I'll balance it this way. So it has been unlocked now. So to move it up, I'll click here. Can you guys see here? To move it freely up. Okay, let me unlock this. So to move it freely. So I need to turn it so that I can see what I'm doing. So I need to balance it. It has to stay like this. For it to be well balanced, it has to stay in this position. So now it's still coming back. So I need to move it up. So it's almost there. So I need to move it further up. No, it's not going back. So I need to bring it back to me. So we're almost there. I think it's balanced now. Okay, it needs to go back a bit. We're almost there. So come forward a bit more. I think it's balanced now. So I need to slightly backward. So I feel I need to just slightly. It's balanced now. Yeah, yes, it is. It's balanced now. So I need to lock this back. Can you guys see what I'm doing? So I need to lock this. I need to lock it back. So this axis is balanced. So can you see? It's not falling back. Can you guys see that? Balance. It is balanced. So we're good. So I need to lock this axis back. It has been locked. So we need to work on this axis. So to work on this axis, I need to unlock it. The lock is the base here. So, okay, so to balance this axis, if you observe, to balance this axis, so it's falling towards this direction. So that means I need to move the camera, I need to move this axis a bit to this side so it to be balanced. So I want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm moving this. What I did was I unlocked this so that I can move this axis freely. So you need to find that balance. It has fallen back to this side. So I need to move it in a bit more. So it's falling to this side. So I need to move it in slightly, just slightly. Now I think it's balanced now. Yeah, it's balanced now. So I'll lock this back. It's balanced now. So I'll lock the base. So the next step to balance now is this side. So I need to unlock this. So for me to know if it's balanced or not, when I tilt it 15 degrees, if it's falling back to this side, that means it's not balanced. Same applies to this side as well. So let's check it together. So it needs slight balancing. Just slight balancing. So for me to balance this now, I will unlock this. So I will move this in and out freely. So let's see when I tilt. Okay, now it's too much, it's not balanced. So I need to move it forward a bit. Just watch what I'm doing. Still not balanced. So I need to move it backward a bit. That's too much. Okay, I think I'm there. Okay, I need to move it back slightly. Okay, just a bit more. That's too much. Stuff can really be challenging at times. So I think it's balanced now. So if I need to do anything, just a little adjustment. That's all I need. Just a little adjustment. Just a little. So let's see again. Amazing. So we're good to go. Can you see? It's just standing still. It's not moving to the right, neither is it moving to the left. So that's that. Our Dji RS 2 is balanced. So for me to confirm that everything is balanced, I'll unlock everything. Unlock this side. Unlock this side. Can you see? It's looking balanced. Everything is looking balanced. Can you guys see? Upon unlocking it, everything is looking balanced. Everything is looking balanced. But there's something I observe. It seems it's falling to this side. So let me look into that side a bit more. But from the look of things, it seems it's balanced. It seems it's balanced. It's balanced. It's balanced. Yeah, it is. But notwithstanding, let me just move it in slightly. Okay, now it is too much. Just slightly in this way. It's looking balanced now. So all is set. All is set. So we are good to go. Can you see? Everything is looking balanced now. So all I need to do is just to power on and do my calibration. So for you to do that, you need to unlock all the houses so that you can move freely. So you press a long press on this side to power it on. So the Dji RS 2 is loading now. So now for me to do my calibration, let me go into my menu for the calibration. So you can use the app to balance it. There's the app on your mobile device to balance it, but and as well you can do it on the screen, which is the beauty of the Dji RS 2. Everything can be done on the screen. You don't need to go to the app. Everything you have on the screen is as well. You can as well do it on the app too. So now I'm starting my calibration now. So it's calibrating now. I hope you guys can see that. So it's still calibrating. 100%. So it's telling me gimbal calibration fine. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. If you find this helpful, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can post more videos and all? And please press the notification button.